formulas, or this is more kind of like one formula really, but which has a lot of variations, is the if statement. This is one of the most important formulas in Excel, because it is very applicable in many of the analysis that are done here, of course. So when is that used? So the if statement is used when the user needs to, let's say, assess a statement, and if the statement is correct, it should show a specific input or output in this case, and then if the statement is not correct, then it should show obviously another output. So as you can see, apologies. So as you can see, we have the structure here. So if the expression is true, give us outcome 1. Otherwise, give us outcome 2, for example. Okay. So now, if I go to the example sheet again, and find the example for if, which should be just down here. So what we have is we have a number of retailers, as you can see here, and then their turnover and also their profit. Now we need to evaluate whether this makes sense, because obviously in most cases, not in most cases, every single case, the profit cannot be bigger than the turnover. So what we can do is we can start the if statement now and just do something like this. If turnover is less than profit, for example, then we need an output of not true. Otherwise, we need an output of true. And let's see what this is going to show. Apologies again, because I need to use the semicolon instead of the comma. Now the outcome here is not true, the result, because 182 is bigger than 165. So if we just go and copy this formula to all the other cells here, now this is what we are going to get. Now 165 is less than 182, so that's why the evaluation here shows this, the outcome shows not true. Same for obviously Tesco here. However, Asda and Waitrose, they have the numbers seem to be well, correct, let's say, in our example, and the last two examples, again, not true, because the turnover in them is less than the profit. Now going back to the presentation, and the next group of 4